like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new incoming inventory. All makes, all models, foreign and domestic, 50 to 70 vehicles arriving every week. We are the premier salvage and repairable vehicle dealership of the Northeast, perhaps in the United States. Right now you're looking at a 2021 Chevy Tahoe RST. This is the new body style. You're looking at the engine compartment right now. This vehicle did sustain some body damage, but the engine compartment is nice and complete. There's no damage here. The radiator, the condenser, apron, the radiator support, everything is square under the hood. No mechanical issues. The unit runs and a lot drives. We'll go over the damages in a minute. Zoom out. Start on the right front. So the vehicle was hit on the right side. The right fender. The right front door complete. Right rear door shell. Into the rocker panel as well, center door post. You're gonna need the running board. Right rear quarter is clean. Rear tailgate is clean. Rear bumper is clean. Looks like it laid on the left side. So it's hit on the right side, then laid on its left. You're gonna need a left rear quarter skin. Left rear door shell. Actually, this door is repairable. I don't think you need to replace it. Opens and closes fine. No pressure on the hinge post. No damage to the rocker panel. Door opens and closes. Nice interior. You have 2 curtain airbags that are deployed. 7 passenger. Nice panoramic glass. Interior still smells brand new in here. Really nice. Left front door has some damage. Looks repairable. Mirror is knocked off. Some damage to the roof. Two curtain airbags. Nice seats. All the seat airbags are good. Forward airbags are good. Our seats. Left front fender has some damage, it's repairable. Looks like some paint work. Overall nice vehicle, just body damage, nothing structural. H-frame looks good. No suspension. Doesn't need a lot of parts either. Post on the website soon. Thanks for watching.